Tangtangon man dahil nila ni para limpyuhan tong machine to stop. So mo ni mga work immersion students, ilahang mga life, ilang mga experiences kay para ni sila makahibalog unsa ang work immersion for EIM, work immersion electrical installation and maintenance students, TBL EIM Lingasad National High School. Ay kayo, but still learning. That's learning. So good luck, boys, for your work immersion life here in Manuel's Resort.